Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abdullah Farhan Shidi. You guys already know it. So yeah, now I'm gonna do a demo. For a long time ago, I haven't recorded any videos, so now I will record a video. IT projects. So yeah, so there's a new project from my teacher said that I should make an application that use a real code that is using Android Studio. Yeah, I guess know what is Android, and then you already know. But Android Studio is a application that we can make a code in it on it. I mean, okay. So now for make it not take a long time, so let's just start. So the first, this the what's the name? I can say it. The appearance, the UI of the Android Studio. So in here, I want to tell you about one application that I have made it for a long time ago. I mean, like a month ago, I've made these applications, and then it was done in 1 month, maybe less or more than 1 month. I don't know. And yeah, so now I'm gonna demonstrate my application. So this is the first. Okay, so in here is the first thing because I will make it apart. Someone said separated demo video, so I just make one of the video, this one of the video that I gonna demonstrate to you about dashboard. Yeah, I can say it is like his name Islamic applications. Okay, so this is his name the place for you can put. So in this under studio, I make application using a code named Kotlin. Kotlin is one of the what's name code language that we can use it for make Android applications. Okay, for make easier. I mean, and then yeah. So and then also there's layout. I mean, like the layout is mean that the UI of the applications. And then now we're gonna go to the main activity. This dashboard, the dashboard. Okay, so this the dashboard. So we're gonna see the design first. So it's kind of lagging because it take a long time actually. Yeah, this the UI of the dashboard. You can see it over here. Yeah, and also for this one for the UI, gonna run the app. So in here, if you already make the application, you can run the app. Like you can play the app. Actually. Okay, so we're gonna wait until the what's name Gradle. So Gradle is a things or something that we need also for this one. What's name for the applications. So like supporter what's name supporter third party. Yeah, I can say third party support. It take a long time sometimes because yeah, Android Studio needs a good connections in internet connections. So because of that, it take a long time. Okay, so in here is have been open. It have been open. So yeah, ABD. Ah, a minute. Sometimes it's kind of laggy. It haven't done because the Gradle haven't run yet. I'm like the Gradle process haven't complete. Sometimes take a long time actually. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it first until it's done. Okay, so yeah, it's been finally turned on the what's name the how you can say it? Yeah, the emulator. Yeah, so emulator is a kind of place or application that we can use it for Android things or iOS things. So this is we're gonna use one of the phone that have been launched a long time ago. It is that is his name Pixel 3 that by Google. Yeah, it's still loading over here. It's take a long time again. To be honest, I don't like waiting for a long time. But because of this emulator, there's nothing to do then. Okay. Sometimes kind of laggy. Okay. So yeah, I just gonna explain the code first. So in here, I gonna explain the code. So the first is here is scroll view. You know scroll view, like if you wanna make a location and to make it scroll, yeah, I use scroll view actually, to be honest. And not to be honest, it's actually like that. And also for the XMLs, I can say XML is like the type of the UI, the type of the page. Yeah, the page applications. Ah, 2 minutes. It's kind of laggy. Okay, what is his name? Gradle build finish. So we're gonna wait until launch the device. Okay, so in here there is the tools and also there's the app, and then there is a layout width. Layout width is like the width of the layout, and there is the layout weight, the height of the layout, and then there is the context. The context means the code of the layout, and then there is the layout width. Also, this Android constraints layout is like this. The blue things over here. This not the blue things over here. I'm like here. It is compared. Not this one. So constraint layout is like name do an application, all of the application console layout, the layout. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna continue the code first, and there is the what's name the match parent. My parent is like, yeah, make it parent. I'm like, make it big as much as you can, and then web content is like, make it same as the pictures of the or the asset that size on it. I mean like the size, make it same as the size on the size same as the assets. Yeah, and this color white, it is, yeah, color white. And there's IV header. Yeah, IV header is like, yeah, we're gonna use image view is like for the thumbnail in here. Thumbnail, I can say thumbnail like that. The what's the name, dashboard image. And there's, I can, we make ID IV header and then match parents, and then the height is what, 250 dp. I don't know what this dp mean, but at least, yeah, is a size. And then scale type, center crop, and then for the src is like the image is big, background, header, dashboard, morning. Yeah, this. And then there's constant left to left off, left, yeah, and then constant right to right off, and then constant top to top off. Yeah, like that. In here. And then next is app compact text view. So this is the text view over here, and this is new ID is TV, and then the width is wrap content, height is wrap content, and then background is drawable background the text view. Yeah, I mean like drawable background the text view is like this. So it's like rounded circle. I mean like rounded rectangle. And then the font family is item regular. I have been uploaded in font in here, and then there is, hey, you can see it or no? Yeah, you can see it. And then there is item regular. Yeah, I mean like the text in here I use string. So string is within the place that you can make text before you make the code of all of the layouts. And there's alignment is center, color center, text color text. Stock color text is like this, the kind of black and gray, little gray. And then there's constraint button off is IV header. So in that is a center in the center of the header of the, or then the background header. And then we're gonna change again to scroll view. So this is the scroll view for scrolling to left, horizontal scroll view to left or right. We make a new ID is list menu, and then width and height is measure and web content, and then margin horizontal is 16 dp, margin top is 8 dp, and then background is drawable big rounded menu, that is blue over here, and then padding is 16 dp, constraint horizontal bias, I don't know, 1.0. I don't know what is this. I haven't learned about it, but I only follow the code. Yeah, to be honest, yes. And then constant to left off, we make it, what's name, under of the IV header over here. And then, so this is the new constraint layout. So there's a layout over here also. There's a layout width is wrap content, and then layout width height is match parent. And then the Android app contact image view. So it's all of the image like this is the image view. Okay. So here is the image view, that is IV icon doa. We make a new ID again, and then layout width is wrap content for the height also, and then for the name the image is durable IC menu A. And then for the constraint layout left is parents, and then top to bottom of parent also. And there's the text view over here also. Yeah, width and height is match parent and wrap content, and then margin top is 8 dp, and then font family. What you mean? Font family is item regular, and then doa doa is, yeah, doa doa. And then center color white, and then 14 s the text size is 14 sp, text color is color white, and then the alignment is center, and then left to left, right to left, left to left, right to right, top to top, top to bottom is IV icon menu doa, so it's under of the menu doa. And then this one also is the image view. So wait a minute guys, I want to take my charger first. Okay, so we're gonna go back again. I'm sorry guys if I take a long time. Okay, so this is IV icon menu zikir. The zikir. Zikir is gone. I mean, like, there is no zikir anymore. Before there is, but yeah, yes, we make it gone. I make it gone because there's no zikir code over here. Okay, we're gonna make name in going into the next feature is zakat. So we can count all of zakat over here, and then yeah, this new ID layout with yeah, same as before. We're gonna recommend, and then margin start is 24 dp. I see menu zakat. Yeah, for the image is I see icon menu zakat, and then constant start to end is I see icon menu zikir, and then constant top to top of parent. We just for make it this, we just gonna duplicate it, a lot of duplication, and then also just change the name, I mean, like the ID. Okay, so next is like this. I can say this, like, it will take a long time. It's okay then. At least you just gonna duplicate and change the top to top of such that, like this. I don't know how to say it. I mean, like, you just gonna make it for make it simple. You just get a lot of duplication, and you just what's name change the ID, I mean, like that, and then also change the image and also the text. And then in here there's inspirations. Inspiration is like the kind of the a lot of poster of really show a lot of the name inspiration of the code. I mean, inspiration of this poster. So kind of inspiration, poster inspiration like this. And this is ID, and ID layout width is rectangular content, and the margin top is 16 dp. Font family is item regular. So the text is here, and then for the recycler view is like what's name? You guys make recycler view. Yeah, I can say like recycler view is like a place. I mean, like a code that you can what's name make some of the picture or text will be make it will be more duplicated by itself, automatically duplicated. Okay, so yeah, for the code I've done for here for the activity for the XML. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you about this, about the application in here. So this UI application, before in here it was there's nothing over here. Now in here there's nothing over here, isn't it? Yeah, there's no image over here. So yeah, in here there's image. Now there's image because yeah, it's only what's name, only a layout, not the real one. So this the real one, the real UI. I can say the real UI. And this one in here, there's a lot of things over here. We can click also, but we don't gonna go to that things because in I will record it in the other video. So this the dashboard is for me. There's a lot of inspiration in here. You can set over here. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of pictures. There is this one. I don't know why it's get cut, but it's okay then. There should be, you cannot laugh more. I'm like, you cannot laugh for a lot of time. Then there is a lot of the poster over here for inspirations. This is the UI, and then how about the Kotlin code? Yeah, now I'll show you the Kotlin code. So this is the code you can over here. I'll make a lot of the code over here. So you're gonna go to inspiration list adapter, inspiration data, inspiration model, and then dashboard activity. For inspiration list adapter, yeah, I don't know how to explain it a lot. I just can explain a little bit. That's like, so class is, we can say Kotlin is like class. Inspiration list adapter, private file list inspiration, or list inspiration model. So it's like inspiration. Here inspiration. And then, wait, yeah, we just gonna make it in the first place. In the first things over here is adapter, and a class for register to component to layout. So this is the function. This is a function of the code. A class for register a component to layout and enter it into variable. In a class, list view holder, item view view, recycle view holder, item view. I don't know how to say. And then this is a variable, image variable of image photos, fill with image component at the item row inspiration XML. So I've uploaded a lot of my poster over here. You can see in here. This is the image inspiration that I have uploaded, that I have made it also. So before you guys make the project of the this application, you guys should upload all of the assets to the project. Done. And then yeah, this is the register a view or layout for show the data. So you should register a view or layout for show the data. Register the view already. This override found on create view holder. I don't know because I haven't learned it more. Maybe I just gonna tell you just a little bit. Override is like for make it easier, and then create on view holder. And then file is like value and a return. Yeah, just return. And override found on bind view holder. I don't know how to say it. At least it is view variable fill with layout. With 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 layouts that will show data item or inspiration. Pairing the data to the layout component. So this is we're gonna pairing the data to the layout component. So this is for pairing the data to the layout component. And then there is the insert the data depend on the position into the inspiration variable. Yeah. So we're gonna insert the data depend on the position into the into inspiration variable. And also this appear for inspiration listen. Okay. Appear the data to inspiration variable in image photo component. Yeah, is like that. And then this one is deciding a data value that want to get shown. So we make it we deciding data. Okay, so this inspiration adapter have done. So this inspiration data only a little bit. So import is like importing some what's name. Yeah, in game you can set extension or I mean like yeah some extensions to the such like Google Chrome. We can get some extension that's like that, but it's import in here. And this one is the inspiration data. So this is the inspiration data. There's a lot. There's the image that I have uploaded before in here, and then this the array list. I don't know what this is for. Array list, and this one is get the file list, that the value list, array list of inspiration model. Yeah, this inspiration model. Yeah, at least like this. So it's like for the data of the image inspiration that I have uploaded. So this the inspiration model now is only little, such like class inspiration model, variable inspiration model, inspiration image, int. I don't know how to say. I don't know what this int used for. I think it's zero, equals zero. And this is dashboard activity. It's the one that have a lot of the codes. Yeah, in here also you can see it. It will show. It will appear the problems or if you have problems in the code. But alhamdulillah I don't have any problem in my code, so yeah, it's okay. This one is the class dashboard activity, app compat activity. A variable for tied the layout to the class. Yeah, these things. Private Lattian for binding. I don't know what this private Lattian for. At least binding is for make easier to connecting from the layout to the yeah to the Kotlin code. So in here there is register layout activity dashboard XML. Activity and then variable view for carrying layout component. File view binding root. And this determines the view with the data and the variable view binding. Set content view. Call the function. So this for the for calling the functions. And it's a function for change the activity. Private font init navigation menu. So this the code is for giving a click command to IV icon menu doa. So this for name click. So binding IV icon menu doa. So that if we was name binding is for make easy to connecting. So if we connecting the IV icon menu doa, so set on click sooner. So if you click, so it will start a new activity with the intent as the activity address giver that want to get visit. So start activity intent this menu do activity class Java. So in here there's a lot of the layout over here, and this one is the one of the layout. And this one also same like this. Yeah, we're just gonna skip it. And here is a function for show the data from a data recycle view component. Yeah, it's a long code. List variable for carrying the data from inspiration data object, and this insert all of the data into a variable. Creating inspiration list adapter object. So this for creating the inspiration. So the value list adapter inspiration list adapter list. Then this set the size of recycle view for the fixed decision. Like that. And then set the view of the recycle view so it can stand vertically. Pairing the adapter to the recycle view. Yeah, like that. And this is set the picture in header depend on the time. Yeah, I mean like in activity main there's what's name the background over here. Yeah, so we can set also the depend on the time, the header, the picture in header, and it's creating the variable that accommodating to the data, accommodating time data. This is time now calendar get instance, and the time format is time simple date format, and HH is like hours. Yeah, and then time format, the format time now time. I don't know how to say it. And when time is was name less than zero, and then until I mean like 0 till 5 it should be dark night, and it's until 10 it should be day, it should be morning, and then 11 till 18 it should be afternoon, and then 17 it needs to be night again. Yeah, maybe that's all. Yeah, maybe that's all about the application in here. Thank you very much for listening. Okay, maybe that's all that I can tell you for this application. I will make the other video for the other function of the name. There's a lot of function over here. Okay, okay, maybe that's all. Shukran for listening, and then also thank you very much for respecting my videos. I hope you guys can like it, and you may subscribe my channel also. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much for listening. Shukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys in the next video. Bye.